Welcome class. Today we are going to start your chapter 12, that is articles. Okay. So what is article? Article is a part of speech which belongs to the class of words called determiners that are used before nouns. Okay. Article belongs to a class of determiners. Now you will ask what is determiners? Okay. Determiners are the words that are placed before nouns to determine or specify them. For example, these gloves, that mango. So these are all determiners. An apple, a university. Okay, so all these are your determiners, and today we are going to read a part of determiners, that is articles. So how many kinds of articles are there? There is definite, indefinite articles and definite articles. What are indefinite articles? Indefinite articles is a, and definite article is the. So let's see first what is indefinite article. A and an are indefinite articles because they do not indicate any particular or definite person or thing. Means indefinite means what is not specified. The person, object is not particular. For example, I want to eat an apple. Means I want to eat any apple, any random apple. Okay, that is known as your indefinite articles, which do not indicate any particular or specific or definite person or thing. A book, a table, an orange, an ink pot, okay, etc. So these are your indefinite articles which do not indicate to any particular specific object or person. Next, uses of a. Now indefinite articles are of two types, a and an. A is used for consonant and an is used for vowel. Now let's see what are the uses of a. A is used before consonant. A bag, a tiger means any noun that is beginning with consonant. Consonant means other than the vowels, other than a, e, I, o, u. Okay, other than a, e, I, o, u. If used, a bag, a tiger, a banana, a pen, etc. Next, A is used before a vowel with a consonant sound. A is used before a vowel with a consonant sound. For example, a university, a uniform, a unicorn, etc. So now you will say me that ma'am, it is starting with U. U is a vowel. How does it is a consonant? Now my dear child, now see children, university, uniform, union. Sound is U, means Y-O-U. The sound is U. Y is your consonant. So we are getting the sound of this. So in this case, we will be using university, a uniform, a union. But if it is umbrella, in that case we will be using an, because in this case we are getting the sound of a. We will be discussing it later on. Now see, so a is used before consonant. A is used before a vowel with consonant sound like university, uniform, union, unicorn. Okay, and a is used to express a certain quantity, a cup of sugar, a dozen of eggs, a bunch of flowers. Okay, so is used for certain quantity. Next, use of an. An is used before a word with the sound of vowel. That means A, E, I, O, U. Arrow, apple, engine. Okay, so this is an. Next, words beginning with H and when they are pronounced like vowels, and R. Starting with consonant, but the sound is of vowel. R. Okay. An honest man. An honor. Okay. So this honor vowel, the sound is of O. O is a vowel. Honest. Sound of O. O is vowel. R. O is vowel. So these are the uses of a and an. So next see, What is a definite article? The is a definite article because it refers to a definite person or a thing. The is a definite article because it refers to a definite, means I want to talk to the person, means to that very particular person. I want to talk to that definite person. So the is your definite article because it is used to refer to a specific, particular, definite person or object. Now uses of the rule 1. When we denote a particular person or thing already mentioned. For example, I ate an apple yesterday, the apple was juicy. I ate a mango yesterday, the mango was sour. So when we have already mentioned one thing, and then we are indicating to it, in that case we will be using the. See, at first I have already mentioned apple, and then in the next sentence I am indicating to that particular apple. In this case I am using the. He brought a book, he showed the book to his teacher. Okay, he brought a book, he showed the book to his teacher. Next, to indicate to a whole class. To indicate to a whole class. Whole class means not a class of students, rather a complete species. The lion is the king of jungle. The lotus is the national flower of India. So, the lion means not only one lion, not a particular lion, but lion is the entire class of lion. Okay. Next, rule 3, before some proper names. Deserts. The Sahara Desert means particular desert. The Thar Desert, the Thar Desert. Okay. Mountain ranges. The Himalayas. The Himalayas. Now see, one thing that you have to keep in mind. Mountain ranges will be using the. But if it is a mountain peak, for example, Mount Everest, in that case you won't be using the. You will not use the. It will be only one mountain peak. If it is only a mountain peak, then no the. The will not be used. If it is only single peak, the will not be used. If it is a range, mountain range, then the will be used. Rivers, the Ganges, the Indus, the Bias, the Ravi, the Gangotri, the Brahmaputra, anything. Ocean and seas, the Arabian, the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Some countries or states, UK, USA means united. The word united should be there. Should be a group of countries. UK, USA, and UAE, United Arab Emirates, UAE. These are the cases where your the will be used. Next, rule 4, before the name of unique institution, before the name of organization or institutions. For example, World Bank, United Nations means UNO, White House, the Parliament, institution, the Parliament, the White House, the UNO, United Nations, the World Bank, all these are your organizations or institutions. Particular, these are one in one. Okay, these are one. Only particular thing is there. There is no second World Bank, there is no second White House. Next, before the names of plural names of countries, geographical areas, island groups, the Caribbean, Netherlands, Pacific, United Arab Emirates, the Seychelles. Okay, so these are your together, means see, UK, USA are also your plural countries. Similarly, United Arab Emirates is also a plural country. The Caribbean is a group of island. The Andaman and Nicobar, group of island. The Lakshadweep, group of islands. Next, before the name of historical buildings, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Hawa Mahal. Okay, before the name of historical buildings. Next, before the superlative degree. In adjective, we have read positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So superlative degree will be using article the. So article the is used to refer to a object which has been mentioned before, refer to a whole class, refer to some proper names, refer to unique institutions, group of islands or plural countries, before the name of historical building, and superlative degree, and also before newspaper. For example, the Hindustan, the Statesman, okay, before the Hindu, before the newspaper names. Next, when it is beginning of a sentence, the before ordinal counting, the first, the second, the ninth, okay. He is the first boy of the class. He is the first boy of the class. Before the ordinal counting, the first, the second, cardinal and ordinal numbers. So before ordinal, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, we will be using the first, the second, the third, okay. Before a proper noun which is used as an adjective, the famous Newton, the great Julius Caesar. Before the name of universal things, the sun, the moon, the earth, the Mars. Before an adjective, to let it be used as noun. When I am using the adjective as nouns, the rich should help the poor. The needy should be helped. So when I am talking about needy, rich, poor, these are your adjectives used as noun. In those cases, we will be using the. The is used in place of a or an when a noun is in plural. An ant, the ants. When it is used in plural, for example, an apple, the apples. When used in plural. Okay. Next is your omission of article, where your article will not be used. Article will not be used in proper nouns. For example, your Virat Kohli. I will not say the Virat Kohli, a Virat Kohli, and Virat Kohli. We will say only Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli leads the Indian cricket team. Plural nouns. Children, when such noun denote a class. See, here I am not talking about apples. Here I am talking about apples. The apples are sharp. Means I am talking about particular apples. But when plural nouns represent entire class, children love chocolates. I will not say the children love chocolates. In that case, it is becoming a particular group of children. But here I am talking about the whole class of children, the entire class of children. So children love chocolates. Birds flying in the sky. Family relation. Father, mother, sister. In these cases, I will not say the father brings me cake. Father brings me cake. Father loves me. Mother loves me. Mother cooks in the kitchen. I will not say the mother cooks in the kitchen. Okay. Abstract noun. The honesty, no. A honesty, no. An honesty, no. Simple honesty is a great policy. Names of games. I love to play chess. When it's cricket, football, chess. Okay, in these cases, no article will be used. Language or branch of knowledge. French. When I am saying I want to learn French, I will not say I want to learn the French. I am learning Hindi. I am learning English. I will not say I am learning the English. No, only English. Name of meals. In case of name of meals, I will not say that I want to have the breakfast. No, I want to have breakfast. We would like to have lunch. We would like to have breakfast. We would like to have snacks. Name of diseases, malaria, diarrhea, typhoid, TB. A, the, and will not be used. Only the name, because they are also a proper nouns. Name of days, months, season, not proper nouns, but they are kind of names of diseases, but and in that cases they won't be used with articles. Names of days, month, season. Monday is a working day. Sunday is a holiday. December is the last month of the year. Okay, in those cases, your December month, season, summer season, winter season. Summer season have arrived. I will not say the summer season has arrived. I will simply say summer season had arrived. Common nouns when they denote institution in general. When I was in school, my mother used to be my teacher. Common noun, school, when they denote institution in general. So these are the cases where your articles will not be used. What are the cases? Proper nouns, plural nouns, family relation, abstract nouns, games, languages, meals, diseases, days, months, season, and common noun when they are denoted in general term. Okay, so this was your article chapter. I had already completed this in your online classes. This is for the students who have or couldn't attend the online class. Please see this video. I think it will be much of your help. And if still you have any queries, and the students whom I have taught in online classes, if still you guys have any query, go through this video. If you have doubts, I am always there. You can contact me during the online classes. I will be there. Okay, so till then, read properly and stay safe.